makapag noon time eh. Kasi Monday to Thursday ngayon. But technically, I mean, before the Executive 110, Monday to Friday. It's a daily job. If there will be time on a weekend, why not? But not during office hours. Kasi nakakaya sa taong bayan.
Pero do you think, Yorme, na it's high time na LGBT member naman na maging presidente natin?
Well, it's up for the people to decide. Ang maganda naman kasi sa atin, democracy.
So
You
okay
can
lang
choose
with this
anybody.
support.
You can choose anybody.
Pero ikaw, Yorme, hindi ka natatakbong mayor.
Mayor
president.
tatakbuhin ko.
President.
Mayor tatakbuhin ko.
For election.
2020.
Confirmation na yan, Yorme.
I've said it so many times. Many times.
So hindi na magbabago
In
ang
fact,
isip.
the other day, ano ngayon? Sabado, no? Yesterday morning, I was asked again.
Paano pag may
Dito lang ako sa
mag-convince
Gentry.
ulit sa'yo?
Steady lang ako rito.
Hindi, kung may mag-convince ulit sa'yo, Yorme.
Kumbisido na ako. Kumbisido. Dito na lang ako sa Maynila.
Nagka-trauma ka ba?
Hindi naman. I'm happy to running in 2022. It's a very good experience. And not any Filipino will have an opportunity to see the country. So if there is one thing, si June, ayun, nagkatanong ka kanina, siya yung katanong na maraming bading, ay si June. Maraming na mga kaibigan bading. Sabi ko marami.
Out na ba si Junior, me?
Makahada na ako. Hanap ako ng booking. Charot. See you, ah.
Thank you.